Don't know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Once you shake the ground, you